Hey everyone, how are you all? Let's talk about brownies. Who doesn't like one? Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe. It will be chocolatey, it will be gooey, and it will be fudgy. So let's get started. First step, I'm going to prep my baking pan. It is an 8 by 8 inch baking pan and I have lined it with parchment paper. This is a very important step. If you don't line this, then you're in for a surprise later because the base is super sticky. Set it aside and onto our bowl. To this bowl, I'm going to add half cup of chocolate chips. I'm using this brand Gator. You can use any other brand, but I really like this one. Then 3/4 cup of really good cocoa, and I like the Dutch kind. This is the Dutch kind. And 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. And to this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to melt 1 cup of unsalted butter. Hot melted butter from the microwave. When you're melting your butter in the microwave, do it in short bursts. Otherwise, it may explode and it can be messy. I'm going to add the butter to this mix, and it's time to whisk until everything is incorporated. Ooh, this smells so good. The chocolate and the butter and the espresso powder and the cocoa powder. Wow. Now it's time to use my favorite KitchenAid blender. I'm going to use a whisk attachment. You can continue doing this in a bowl with a whisk. I'm going to add a cup of white granulated sugar. To this, I'm going to add a cup of light brown sugar. A teaspoon of salt. Salt enhances the flavor of any baked goods. And it's time to whisk. To this mixture, I'm going to add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, kept at room temperature. Mix it till it is nice and smooth. To this mixture, I'm going to add that lovely chocolate ganache which I made before. Wow, look at it. Doesn't it look amazing? And it smells wonderful. To this beautiful mix, I'm going to sift a cup of flour, and fold it. We're not going to overmix now because it's already mixed. Fold it in, and to this I'm going to add a cup of toasted chopped walnuts. I'm going to fold it in again. It's going to self-level it out in the oven, but I'm just going to give it a push towards the edges. In the oven at 350 for half an hour. Brownies fresh out of the oven. Wow, look at it. Perfect, cracked, glossy top. This is what I wanted. I'm going to let it cool down and then unmold it. Oh my God. Look at the texture.
It is yummy as it is, but look what I added on top.
I'm going to cut it in equal squares. Now the best part. I get to eat this. This is such a feel-good thing. But first, look at the texture. It is perfect. It is chocolatey, it is gooey, and it is fudgy. So no more box brownies. I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.